You can delete a backup location that contains backup data. The process is very similar to deleting storage with no data. However, as there is a risk of data loss with this operation, there are additional safeguards in place and multi-person authorization is used to ensure this is an approved deletion. In the Command Center, from the left-hand navigation pane, expand Storage and then click Disk. Click the disk storage where you want to delete the backup location. In the Backup Locations section, for the backup location that you want to delete, click the Actions button to the right, and then click Delete. Confirm the delete operation by typing the requested phrase. A notification is displayed saying that the operation requires an additional level of approval. An email is sent to the authorizing users to approve the request. Approvals can also be viewed in the Command Center. As an approving user who did not make the original deletion request, in the left-hand navigation pane, expand Monitoring and select Approvals. In the Open Requests view, the delete request will be displayed. Click the request to view its details. Confirm the requested action and select either Accept or Deny. If accepted, the deletion request will be processed immediately. If there are multiple backup locations in the disk storage, Commvault deletes the specific backup location. If the backup location is the only backup location in the disk storage, Commvault deletes the disk storage along with the backup location.